Imagine four massive generators, each weighing 760,000 pounds, with a height and width of 15 feet 5 inches and a length of 43 feet on their final journey spanning 700 miles. These machines are heading for retirement, traveling from treacherous mountain passes to navigating through bustling Southern California cities at night, ending in Clive, Utah. It is truly an emotional and impressive journey. After years of service, this is likely their last trip. A nostalgic farewell to the machines that played a part in the strength of the industry.